Morning to you all, guys and dear students. Once again, come back to the topic in supplementary reader vistas on the second story, The Tiger King, from its second part. Crown Prince Jangjang Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. No other miracle marked his childhood days apart from the event already described. The boy drank the milk of an English cow, was brought up by an English nanny, tutored in English by an Englishman, saw nothing but English films exactly as the crown princes of all the other Indian states did. When he came of age at 20, the state, which had been with the court of wars until then, came into his hands. But everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer's prediction. Many continued to discuss the matter. Slowly it came to the Maharaja's ears. There were innumerable forests in the Pratibandhapuram state. They had tigers in them. The Maharaja knew the old saying, "You may kill even a cow in self-defense." There could be certainly no objection to killing tigers in self-defense. The Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. The Maharaja was thrilled beyond measure when he killed his first tiger. He sent for the state astrologer and showed him the dead beast. "What do you say now?" he demanded. "Your Majesty may kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner, but," the astrologer drawled. "But what? Speak without fear." "But you must be very careful with the 100th tiger." "What if the 100th tiger were also killed?" "Then I will tear up all my books on astrology, set fire to them, and I shall cut off my tuft, crop my hair short, and become an insurance agent." The astrologer finished on an incoherent note. The difficult word meanings from this part are like this. Apart from means besides. Nanny means a woman employed to look after a child. Tutored means was taught privately. Court of wars means courtiers. Innumerable means countless. Self-defense means the act of defending oneself. Astrology means the study of movements and relative positions of celestial bodies, interpreted as having an influence on human affairs and the natural world. Beyond measure means excessively or infinitely. Sent for means called in. Beast means wild animal, here tiger. Demanded means wanted to know. Drawled means spoke in a low tone or muttered. Set fire means burn. Incoherent means illogical or unconnected. Form means stable. Thrilled means excited. Insurance means bima. Tuft means a bunch of hair held together at the center of the head. Part 3rd. From that day onwards, it was celebration time for all the tigers inhabiting Pratibandhapuram. The state banned tiger hunting by anyone except the Maharaja. A proclamation was issued to the effect that if anyone dared to fling so much as a stone at a tiger, all his wealth and property would be confiscated. The Maharaja vowed he would attend to all other matters only after killing the 100th tigers. Initially, the king seemed well set to realize his ambition, not that he forced Not that he faced no dangers. There were times when the bullet missed its mark. The tiger leapt upon him and he fought the beast with his bare hands. Each time it was the Maharaja who won. At another time, he was in the danger of losing his thorn. A high-ranking British officer visited Pratibandhapuram. He was very fond of hunting tigers and fonder of being photographed with the tigers he had shot. As usual, he wished to hunt tigers in Pratibandhapuram, but the Maharaja was firm in his resolve. He refused permission. I can organize any other hunt. You may go on a boar hunt, you may conduct a mouse hunt. We are ready for a mosquito hunt, but tiger hunt, that's impossible. The British officer's secretary sent word to the Maharaja through the Diwan that the Durai himself did not have to kill the tiger. The Maharaja could do the actual killing. What was important to the Durai was a photograph of himself holding the gun and standing over the tiger's carcass. But the Maharaja would not agree even to this proposal. If he relented now, what would he do if other British officers turned up for tiger hunts? Because he prevented a British officer from fulfilling his desire, the Maharaja stood in danger of losing his kingdom itself. The Maharaja and the Diwan held deliberations over this issue. As a result, a telegram was dispatched forthwith to a famous British company of jewelers in Calcutta. Sent samples of expensive diamond rings of different designs. Some 50 rings arrived. The Maharaja sent the whole lot to the British officer's good lady. The king and the minister expected the Durai Shani to choose one or two rings and send the rest back. Within no time at all, the Durai Shani sent her reply, "Thank you very much for your gifts." In 2 days, a bill for 3 lakh of rupees came from the British jewelers. The Maharaja was happy that though he had lost 3 lakh of rupees, he had managed to retain his kingdom. The word meaning from this third part are like this. Onwards means ahead or forward in time. Celebration means engaging in festivals. Inhabiting means residing or living in. Banned means officially or legally prohibited. Proclamation means official announcement. Was issued means was declared. Dare to fling means had the courage to throw. Confiscated means seized with authority. Vowed means took an oath. Initially means in the beginning. To realize his ambition means to fulfill his strong desire. Missed its mark means missed its aim. There means nagged. Fond of means having an affection. Fonder of means comparative degree of the adjective fond. Resolve means determination. Celebrations means long and careful consideration. Deliberations means long and careful consideration. The whole lot means here all the rings. Carcass means the dead body of an animal. Relented means become less intense. Turned up means came by chance or arrived. Conduct means start. Issue means matter. Dispatched means sent. Forthwith means immediately or at once. Samples means specimens. To retain means to continue or to have. Now guys, from the first, second or third part, textual short answer type questions. Question number 1. Who is the Tiger King? Why does he get that name? Answer. Sir Jilani Jangjang Bahadur, the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, is the Tiger King. When the prince was 10 days old, the astrologers predicted that he would be killed by the tiger. Then the prince uttered, "Let tigers be aware." He decided to kill 100 tigers, so he got the name of Tiger King. This one is the most important question. Question number 2. What did the royal infant grow up to be? The royal infant grew taller and stronger day by day. When he was 20, he became the king of the state Pratibandhapuram, which had been with the court of wars until then. Now, dear students, note down these all very selected word meanings from the second part or third part of this story, and note down these two short textual short answer type questions in your fair notebook. Have a nice day. Thank you.